Ready? Start. Learned Counsel for the petitioners submits that petitioner number 2 is the victim who has married petitioner number 1. Stop. Both the petitioners are major. Stop. Date of birth of petitioner number 1 is 1 January 2003, whereas date of birth of petitioner number 2 is 24 August 2005. Stop. Since both were major, they have right to marry by their own choice. Stop. Accordingly, on 24 December 2023, petitioners have solemnized their marriage in a temple as per Hindu rites and rituals. Stop. Since the date of their marriage, both are living together. Stop. Learned Counsel for the petitioners has further submitted that after getting married, the petitioners informed the informant oblique respondent number 4 and a good sense prevailed between the parties, and by the intervention of respected persons of the society, respondent number 4 has accepted the marriage of his daughter with petitioner number 1. Stop. Accordingly, respondent number 4 and petitioners submitted a compromise deed along with an affidavit of respondent number 4. Stop. Learned Counsel for the petitioners prays for quashing of the impugned FIR on the basis of compromise. Stop. Void order dated 5 July 2024, the parties were directed to appear before the senior registrar of this court for verification of the compromise, and in pursuance of the said order, both the parties appeared before the senior registrar on 11 July 2024 and the compromise deed has been verified. Stop. Stanza. Learned Counsel for respondent number 4, who is present in court, has not disputed the submissions made by Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Rather, he has argued that the petitioners have solemnized their marriage according to Hindu rites and rituals on 24 December 2023. Stop. On that very date, both the petitioners had attained the age of discretion and were major. Stop. At present, petitioner number 2 is pregnant, having pregnancy of 4 months. Stop. Respondent number 4 has accepted petitioner number 1 as his son-in-law. Stop. Both the petitioners are living happily as husband and wife. Stop. Respondent number 4 has no grievance against petitioner number 1. Stop. No fruitful purpose would be served if the case is proceeded on the basis of FIR 8. Stop. Learned AGA has also not disputed the submissions advanced by Learned Counsel for the parties. Stop. We have heard the arguments of Learned Counsel for the parties and perused the record. Stop. Stanza. Since both the parties to the matrimonial dispute have arrived at a compromise, in such a situation, the court has inherent jurisdiction to pass a suitable order as may be necessary to prevent the abuse of process of law to secure the ends of justice. Stop. The coordinate bench of this court had occasion to discuss the power of the court in the case of Nazmul Hasan and others versus State of UP and others, bracket start 2018 within bracket 7 ADJ 245 bracket close, in which it has held in paras 15, which read as under. Stop. Considering the compromise arrived at between the parties on 7 May 2018 as extracted above in paragraph 5 and the categorical stand of the opposite party number 3 before this court, we are of the considered opinion that no useful purpose would be served in continuation of criminal proceedings in pursuance of the impugned first information report lodged by opposite party number 3. Stop and over.